Hello and welcome class 7 students. Here it's me, Minis Devjani, welcomes you to the general instruction class. We have already covered many chapters, and as you already know that we both the teachers, me and Miss Pratima, are covering the syllabus. So in the previous classes, in the beginning classes, I have already told you that you have to follow the online classes of both the teachers. So I guess you all are doing that. So now I am going to discuss few points with you regarding study, revision, and what are your homeworks while you are sitting at home during the lockdown period. So according to your syllabus of Terminal 1, you have first 9 chapters starting from chapter 1 food to chapter 9 soil. Till today we have covered from chapter 1 to chapter 6 physical and chemical changes. Very soon, within 1 or 2 days, you will get your exercise question answers also. But it's preferable that you read the lessons and write your own answers. Always I say that your answers are more acceptable. The answers that are given from the teacher side are just the hint or help towards you. You can write your own answers, but preferably should be within the word limit, and you read the lessons carefully, thoroughly before you start writing exercise. But although from chapter 1 to chapter 5 we have already done with exercise question answers, within short time you will get the question answers of chapter 6, that is physical and chemical changes. And from next week perhaps we will start the new chapter. So it was point number 1, that read the lessons thoroughly, complete your exercise question answers. Point number 2, in every lesson other than exercise question, there is some quick assessment part, or that is self-assessment part. Okay, I am going to show you for chapter 1. Like there is the quick assessment part as well as chapter based some practice questions. So you all are advised to complete this chapter based practice questions. Okay, you have to practice these all. Also complete quick assessment for every chapter. I guess it is clear. For every chapter you have to complete the chapter based questions and quick assessment along with exercise questions. Point number 3, diagrams. While teaching, whatever diagrams are discussed in the class, you have to draw and practice. Very soon you will get the list of diagrams also which you have to practice, and list of activities for practical work. Already you have got the practical activities for lesson 6, right? So you please quickly complete it. Then next week you will get the list of activities for other chapters also. Diagrams, please draw and practice. Say for example from chapter nutrition, digestive system is very important, right? And say from chapter 1, these are important, stomata and all, right? Also in chapter 1 there are so students, these practical activities are important. You have to not all, some of these you have to write in your practical file. You will get the list of it. By the time, read and practice. Okay, lesson 3, Lesson 3, you have fibers, so it's a very easy chapter. Lesson 4, heat. From the chapter heat, you practice thermometer. Okay, please practice thermometer diagram, and very important is land bridge, sea bridge. Okay, how they are formed, land bridge and sea bridge. Chapter heat, one of the important chapter. Acids and bases, very important. Acids and bases, please learn the indicators. Indicators, ma'am has already sent you what you have to write in the practical file, so complete it. Names of acids, names of bases, along with their chemical formula. Okay, and chapter based practice questions for all the chapters, very important to do and practice. Finally, chapter physical chemical change, I have already told you. Okay, so these are the general instructions for you, because in this lockdown period we are sitting at home, so no need to feel lazy, no need to feel gloomy, feel energetic, because very sooner or later, we are going to meet again in the school and you have to appear in the exam again. So please make your mind that we have to complete it all and we have to appear in the examination. Don't sit idly, don't waste your time. Okay, thank you very much. All the best.